Well, it's that time of year again. It is cold out here. It's about 40 degrees now, and it warmed up. As you can see in the back, we got a bunch of lumber and stuff. We're going to be doing the soffits today, replacing all this stuff, trying to get it winterized. This has all got to come out. There's Tanya. Gonna take all the dry rot out, replace all these soffit boards, the plywood. It goes all the way across over here and into the back of the house also. All this has to come out or get replaced. All that has to come out. Gonna replace it with some T111 siding. Gotta replace some of these rotten boards in here. So a lot of work. That's what we're going to be doing today, along with probably playing. I'm going to get back in the woods today and start cutting out some more stuff.
Does it need to go in the bird pile?
You can burn it. Burn it, darn it. Oops. I hate cutting over my head. At first, let's check the measurement. Gotta kind of slide up here. Go up.
No, it's keeping it from there. I don't see anything that should be keeping I didn't even make it that far. I think it's getting stuck on this. There's a little nail sticking out. Whatever you did, it worked, I guess.
Yeah. How's it looking on that board there?
Yeah. We're about a quarter in between. I'm gonna come down this way a little bit.
Well, I ain't gonna do that.
Oh. Okay, there you go.
Wish I was a little bit taller.
Shower the baller.
My girl.
So we're gonna have outtakes this time. Yeah, I'm literally having to put my leg through the ladder and and balance myself on the oven door to be able to hold it up. Because otherwise I don't have any strength. I've only hit my head 3 times and got my ear drum. And it's not the part of my head that you put into the headboard. None of these things are the same length.
I think that's why I put this one here, because it sticks out an inch farther. That's why I wanted to put this one first, so then I can come back and bring all the stuff out to this and then screw it in. Now I gotta wait for the damn battery to charge. That raw horsepower. 942 to go. Here chopping up some wood till we get through the cold night. It got down to 31 degrees last night. It's a little cold.
I guess the smart thing to do would have been to go that way. More of an opening.
Well, now you know for next time.
I'll go retrieve my lost passengers.
Did you lose some?
Yes, sir. You didn't hear me?
Uh-uh.
This can't burn out. It needs to stay lit.
She drug this big log with the four-wheeler all the way from over there in the ditch. It's been over there, and we weren't able to get the mower in there, so she hooked her chain to it and drug it out here, and now it'll sit here and smolder for probably 3 years.
I'm not saying it again.
What, that I was right? You're not saying that I was right again?
Yeah, and I'm over here thinking, Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Yes, we can.
Got it.
Yay.
Daddy! Never fails. You get started and the damn battery does. Alright, I got most of the rod out. Had to cut it out, and then I had to replace some of the boards in there. I had to cut part of that seal out, about 6 feet of that seal above the window. It was rotted, so I had to replace it. So now I can go ahead and run my wires through, so I can run porch lights. We're gonna run can lights out here. First, I gotta get all of this soffit plywood up there off and see what we're dealing with as far as rot under there. I don't think we should have any rot under there. We're just This was all rotted because of the carport and all the leaves were stuck there, so all the water was just standing there and just rotted off all the wood. So I knew I was gonna have to fix it. There it is. Fascia's up. Now we just gotta cover it up. All the soffits are off.